Is it time to buy or sell Zoom stock? In this video, we delve deep into Zoom. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 19th of August, 2025, our system has identified Zoom as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.54. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has shown a loss of 0.04%. This results in an average daily loss of 0.02% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a declining trend in the short term, and further decline within this trend is anticipated. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of -12.06% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -16.36% to -10.65%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 3.6%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -2.55% to 31.15% over the next year. This would place the future price between $70.32 and $94.64. Our latest daily update for Zoom includes the headline, Zoom stock price down 0.016% on Wednesday. The Zoom stock price fell by 0.016% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, dropping from $72.19 to $72.16. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.36%, with a day low of $71.38 and a day high of $72.35. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.38% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 1 million shares, yet this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that risk could slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 4 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $298,460,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $92.80, while the lowest was $59.35. Currently, the price stands 22.24% or $20.64 below the 52-week high, and 87.75% or $516.68 below the all-time high reached on the 19th of October, 2020, when the price hit $588.84. Zoom reports fiscal second quarter results on the 21st of August, and traders should anticipate increased volatility surrounding this announcement. Analysts are focusing on more than just revenue and earnings per share. Customer additions, enterprise seat growth, Zoom phone monetization, and artificial intelligence usage metrics will significantly influence market reactions. On the product side, Zoom has recently expanded its virtual agent to Zoom Phone, introduced agentic artificial intelligence scheduling features, launched Zoom Hub, and integrated AI Companion into mobile team chat. These are concrete steps toward embedding artificial intelligence across communications and creating new opportunities for upselling. In the short term, the forthcoming earnings release, along with the recent trend of sharp movements following earnings announcements, indicates that the stock may be susceptible to a quick sell-off if results fall short. Conversely, an impressive performance in usage and monetization of phone and AI could lead to a swift recovery. Over the long term, the integration of artificial intelligence and phone features supports revenue diversification and could result in a higher lifetime value per customer if adoption increases. However, risks such as geopolitical fines and the necessity for regulatory compliance, evidenced by a recent minor fine in Russia, along with intense competition, still present challenges that could limit potential gains. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned ZM a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Needham assigned ZM a buy grade with an upgrade recommendation. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was noted that Scotiabank assigned ZM a sector perform grade with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned ZM a buy grade with an upgrade recommendation. On Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, it was noted that Evercore ISI assigned ZM an outperform grade with an upgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Zoom stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Zoom. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 11th, 2025, and so far it has risen 3.43%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may influence the near short-term development. The Zoom stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $72.19 and $74.02. A break above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, and the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 51 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 49 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Zoom. Zoom finds support from accumulated volume at $71.60. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded with substantial volume, and given the minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 97 cents, which is equivalent to 1.36% between its high and low. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.73%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Zoom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 21st of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.37. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Zoom. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Zoom is at $74.60. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Zoom encounters its first support level at $71.60. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Zoom from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2025, Chadwick Jonathan carried out an insider purchase of 25,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 15th of July, 2025, Chadwick Jonathan also executed an insider sale of 25,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 15th of July, 2025, Chadwick Jonathan made another insider sale of 25,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the 14th of July, 2025, Bawa Aparna executed an insider sale of 9,836 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of July, 2025, Bawa Aparna also sold 692 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 49.240. In total, insiders have purchased 391,881 shares and sold 1,395,382 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there has been no stop loss established. Is Zoom stock a good buy? Currently, Zoom presents several negative indicators and is trending downwards, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and activity from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we anticipate that Zoom will open lower by approximately 19 cents, starting at $71.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important that you do not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.